Good morning, guys. So right now, you guys, we are cooking up breakfast wraps. So that's what we're doing. Breakfast wraps are so good. So that's what we're cooking up, some breakfast wraps. The breakfast wraps, you guys, look so good. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm trying to make room for the washer and dryer. It's gonna be over here. It's gonna be fun and exciting. We get a new washer and dryer. So we are trying to figure this out, how much space we need and how much stuff we need occasionally. So that's what we're trying to figure out, how much space we need to make. So my landlord can come in tomorrow or whenever he gets a chance to get all the plumbing, all the stuff done. So yeah, that's gonna be fun and exciting. There's the room that we are gonna have for the laundry machine and dryer. Hopefully there's enough room to get by. Hopefully. There's a salmon, there's a Caesar salad that Rachel made. Guys, what's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, we are watching Sunny Cloudy with the chance of number 2. Yeah, so
of meatballs number 2. There's meatballs involved.
No, the spaghetti.
We're getting a recap on what happened in the last movie.
And gummy bears. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.